leapfrog stuff. Okay, let's look between 1 and 2. Okay, between 1 and 2, remember the leapfrog thing? Let's leapfrog the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, do you see how there's 8 little spaces between there? So that's how they come up with the bottom number 8. Okay, so let's say I landed, my arrow is pointing right here at this one. Okay, what would I do to find that one?
You would count on top.
Leapfrog the top from the 1 to the arrow, right? So you go 1, 2, 3. That's your numerator, and your whole number is 1 because it's in front of 1. So do you see how that arrow lands at 1 3/8? Y'all see that? Okay, good. So that's, you still kind of do the leapfrog stuff like we were talking about. Let me show you something else. Okay, can you kind of tell, look at this, how big, okay, you can kind of tell there's some shorter tick marks and then some longer. Can y'all tell that? Okay, this one right here, you should know the longest one right in the middle between 1 and 2 is what? A half, okay? That's either gonna be a half or it could be 4/8. Okay, now look at these. These are kind of the second longest right here. You know what, let me do it in a different color for you. These are kind of the second longest.
Isn't that like 1/3?
What do y'all think those are?
Isn't that 1/3?
Close, look at this. If we go 1, 2, 3, 4, what are those?
Fourths.
Those are fourths, okay? So this one would be 1/4. That one's already 2/4. This could be also 2/4, 4/8, 1/2, it's all the same. This one's 3/4. Okay, and then the whole would be 4/4, another whole. So you see let me go back and show you all those. The medium size, okay, the very longest one, that red one I had, that's a half. And then the medium sized ones are your fourths. These are your fourths. And this can also be a fourth, so I'm gonna do it twice. Okay? So then the little ones, what are those? What did we leapfrog them in to go? Eighths. Okay? So these are all your eighths. Alright? So when you're measuring with them, remember we can measure eighths of an inch, we can measure fourths of an inch. Okay, so we're going to talk about that a little and use them in just a second.